Welcome farmers to day number 17 of raising our broilers to adult broilers. And we'll be looking at why broilers need darkness to grow. Many farmers think that broilers must have light all the time so they can eat more. It's far from the truth. The truth really is broilers grow better when they rest properly. Darkness is not wasting time. Darkness is when the body recovers and builds. So let's look at a couple of points and dive through in detail as to why broilers need darkness to grow. Number one, light makes birds move more, not grow more. When lights are on all the time, birds walk around too much. They stay active, they burn energy, they burn calories. So instead of feed going into muscle, feed goes into movement and stress. Number two, darkness improves feed conversion. Rested birds digest better, convert better, and even grow more evenly throughout their cycle because their bodies are calm and stable. Number three, too much light increases stress and pecking. Think about it. Constant light can cause restlessness, can cause aggression in your birds, and can cause birds pecking all the time. Stress also increases, which ultimately leads to uneven growth and poor performance. Point number five, rest protects the biggest birds. By day 17, birds are gaining weight fast and rapidly. If birds don't rest, their legs get weak, their hearts stress, and you'll have sudden deaths before or more likely than later. Number five, darkness helps create a routine. Broilers love routine. A stable, light, dark pattern helps. Consistent eating times, better sleeping times, better growth patterns. Now, why does this cost you money? Is that when birds don't rest, they eat but convert poorly. Their growth becomes uneven, and you find late stage death rates increase. You lose profits also through extra feed costs, lower final weights, and ultimately mortality. So what should we do, farmers, on day number 17 is don't keep birds on bright light exactly 24/7. Allow resting periods, keep lighting consistent daily, and avoid sudden light changes at night. Remember, broilers don't only grow when they eat, they grow when they rest. I've created a Broiler's Gems that will help you move from small profits to big profits with a very small investment. And if that's your cup of tea, there's a link in the description. Thank you. See you on day number 18.